If you're a photographer or cinematographer, you definitely know the Godox LC1000R, probably one of the most famous light out there. But if that was the Charmander, this is the Charizard. So this is the all new Godox 1000R, and I have been using this light for a couple of weeks at this point for shooting portraits to products, YouTube videos, brand works and what not. So in this video I'm going to share my thoughts, feedbacks and review about this light. And before starting the video, let me clarify that this is not a paid review. This is just me sharing my own thoughts about a product that I loved while using, like I always do on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, let's talk about what you get in the box. You get a branded carrying bag, the LC1000R light itself, a power adapter, though I usually don't use it because it has USB-C, a manual and a DC power cable in case you want to run it via direct current. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, it looks gorgeous. The all-white design, the build, it just feels premium in hand. Design-wise, it got similar dial pad, rotating crown, 5 buttons, same display, but what's new is built-in cooling fans underneath to keep it cool even at 100 watts output. USB-C charging, super convenient. And the lights are now on single side, so whether you are using white light or RGB colors, you don't need to keep rotating the burn doors to control the spill. It's way more intuitive for directional lighting. Now, as I told you in the starting of the video that this light is capable of outputting 100 watts of light, but that is not in the normal mode. So for that, go to CCT mode, press and hold the function button and you will see a small P icon on the display, and that's when it gives you the full 100 watts of output. One thing I really loved about this light is if you tap the power button once, the light instantly dims to 0%. Tap again and it backs where you left off. And that is super handy during the shoots when you instantly need to cut the light. Now let's talk about the Godox Light app, which is probably one of my most favorite part about this light. Just open the Godox Light app on your phone and it connects super quickly. And after the first time, it just auto pairs. From the app, you can control everything from brightness, Kelvin, HSI mode, and even use preset white balance profiles. Switch to HSI mode and boom, full RGB control. You can create your custom colors or you have preset colors built in. Now, if we move to effects tab, here we have 15 built-in lighting effects which all are customizable. So it's really fun to create different type of scenarios with the Godox LC1000R. So, if you're looking for a portable RGB light which you can use as your key light, background light or creative lighting solution for your cinematic sequences, I think the Godox LC1000R is absolutely worth it because it's reliable, powerful and compact. Also, in this price range, I think it's best in its class. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question regarding this light, do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, comment and share this video with anyone you know looking for this light. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-ra.